What's going on, everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're taking a look at the Aukey 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank. This supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and power delivery. So I was under the impression this could possibly charge maybe tablets that supported power delivery, such as the Pixelbook or the Pixel Slate. But I'll test it out and see if it works. I was sent this to me by Aukey for their reviewer program. And so I'll share my thoughts on everything regarding it. So it comes with a charging cable. It is USB-C to C, so keep that in mind. So if you do not have a charging brick, you're going to need to, it'd be best to get one that's C, so that way it can actually fast charge this as well, because 20,000 milliamp hours will charge quite slow if you don't have a fast charger. So this is a pretty large battery bank. It is plastic construction with like a little bit of a rubber ring around it. So yeah, there's that. There are, looks like 4 LEDs over here to indicate the battery capacity. So right now there's 2. And all on one side we have all these ports. We have 3 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. Oh, one of them is not USB-C, one of them is Lightning. So you can actually charge this via a Lightning input cable for your iPhone. So it can actually charge that way, or via USB-C, as you can see here. And then USB-C output, and then output via the USB Quick Charge 3.0. And then there is also a lower wattage power charging mode. So that way you can actually charge, let's say, earbuds or maybe a smartwatch, because some battery banks or chargers won't charge when there's a low charging wattage. So yeah, adaptive charging capabilities. So it's pretty cool that actually you can charge this via a Lightning cable. So if you're an iPhone user, you can actually just use that same cable to charge this, and then use that cable to charge your iPhone or Apple Watch, anything like that. So it's pretty neat, to say the least. Low current mode. So here you go. Yeah, 60 milliamps. Below 60 milliamps, you can enable that by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds to enter or exit the low charging mode. So let's go ahead and plug this into let's say a Pixel Slate and see if it'll actually charge it. And I'll give my results there. There's no wireless charging built into this, but it will at least charge a Pixel or any phone that does support power delivery. And then of course, Quick Charge, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 will support devices that use that. So as we can see, we have this plugged into our Pixelbook, and it immediately tells us low power charger connected. Your Chromebook may not charge while it's turned on. So it'll probably charge the Pixelbook slowly, but it's not going to be able to charge while in use. So keep that in mind. Unfortunately, this is not going to support, let's say, 30, 40 watt USB-C output. With something this big, I would imagine that it would have been able to support that. You get what you pay for. 45 bucks. It doesn't have that capability, unfortunately. You're going to have to spend close to 100 bucks for a battery bank that does that or more. But I did actually just notice right now that there is a micro USB port that you can charge this via, but it's going to charge very slowly if you use that. So yeah, you can charge via Lightning, you can charge via USB-C, or you can charge via micro USB. So at least there's that flexibility, kind of the bright side, I guess. 20,000 milliamp hours comparing to a Xiaomi 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank. Just like how much smaller this battery bank is compared to this. Like, sure, it's thinner, but sheer size is huge. I'd take a much thicker one like this over this. If you have a slim bag of some sort, like a laptop bag, or you need something that's portable, I think this might be a little easier in that sense. It can fit into more spaces because it's so thin. But again, like, I mean, I don't know, which one would you rather have, something this big or this small? I guess it depends. The weight are about the same, more or less. But yeah, if you guys have questions on the Aukey 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank, let me know. If you want a follow-up video also, I can make one if that's something you would like. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.